AC Guy 1948 here. Got me a new thing for the truck. This is from Hunter. You probably already know what it is from the title, but we'll do the unboxing of it. See how it comes in, how it ships. Oh yeah, everything's wrapped. Well, the unboxing's probably going to have to be done off camera. Okay, jump cut. Okay, we have the two headlight guards, and then there's the whole assembly for the front. And then there's the box of random bolts and everything, brackets, bolts, whatever. I opened this little box, and it's got brackets, and the brackets that go low, and bolts, another bracket, and more bolts. But yeah, all sorts of stuff in there. Alright. Oh yeah, that looks nice. But pretty simple setup. There's two holes up under there already. I guess that there's a factory nut plate. Mine, it looks like the top nut still, there's top bolts still left in there, but I'm wondering if they might have had something on the front of this truck before, because I found something on the turn signal that was like an extra wire adapter, or one of those splice in things on each side. So I'm wondering if they had like a brush guard or something else mounted on this truck previously. But this kind of also confirms it, because they're saying something should have been there, and it's like there's a bolt there but not anything going into this bottom hole. So, but anyway, it's pretty simple. You just take this here, you line that up with those two holes. The big bolts go towards the back, and then the shorter ones go on the front here on each side. And there's two plates, of course, one for here, one for there, and then the smaller bolts mount on your big grill part. Even smaller bolts, which I do like, are actually have lock nuts on them. Those are for attaching that onto the sides of these. So pretty simple, it looks like. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, I got these installed. It's not too bad to do. The worst thing was, mine did have tabs, but they wouldn't come out. And what I ended up doing, I ended up taking a little pry bar there and kind of prying out, and ended up snapping the piece off, because they just don't come out like you think they would. So they're still bolt up high, holding stuff together, and now this is in there and it's on there pretty good. So we come back up under here, and it's pretty much like the instructions said. There's a bolt that goes through here, and a bolt that goes through there, and it just comes out to a nut, a washer and a lock washer on the other side. And pretty simple setup. Now you got to go get the grill itself, or the brush guard itself, and set it up here and put the bolts in. Alright, not too hard. Just make sure all your brackets are loose up under here, so you can adjust this. And I was able to just pick it up, slide it in. It goes on the inside of each piece. And then I put the bolts going in this way. You gotta put your washer in, and then on the other side you got washer, lock washer, and then your nut. And that's how she's looking so far. Next thing is, I've got the bag of bolts for doing this. I'm going to put those on. Alright, about an hour later, there you have it. She looks pretty good. So all I did was I pushed this whole piece up and just tightened up the base there, and then up underneath I tightened that, and these, all I did was bolt them on, and they lined up really well how they come around here. So I lucked out pretty good on that. And then it also has mounting points for if I want to put fog lights or something in there. So yeah, I'm liking the new look of the truck. I'll back it out and get a better shot of it. But so far, this grill guard, well, that seems pretty sturdy, really. over there I need to tighten these up a little bit, but for the most part, yeah, she's done. I'll back her up and we'll take another look at her. Alright, and that's how she looks. Left enough room there to get the hood open yet. You can reach under there and opens fine. So alright. Really, not too hard to install. And I think it looks pretty good on there. Everything lined up really good. They send little spacers that you can put in between here to kink this in or out, if depending on how it lines up. But it lined up pretty well on both sides with how it worked, which surprised me because this bumper is actually a little bit off. The whole thing's kind of kinked up a little. Made changing this headlight a real pain. I was going to do videos on these headlights, but I never, it was way more complicated than I first thought. I had to swap wires around in it and rig up it's got LEDs with halos. I'll kick them on real quick. But that was something I wanted to do a video on. Just, it just never happened. But they work good. Got the projectors in them. And then the LEDs, those LEDs really put off a lot of light. You can almost just shut off the headlights and drive with those. That's how bright they are. Little halo rings in there. But alright, that's how she's looking. Pretty happy with it. So this was a Hunter brush guard. And do I recommend it? Well, as for right now, I like the way it's built. These are a little chintzy on there because they just got 3 bolts holding them, but yeah, for the most part I think it'll do alright. Alright, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.